Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? A feeling that you're part of something ancient, vast, and utterly magical? Well, today we're going to talk about a celestial visitor that's making an incredibly rare journey. One that connects us directly to the birth of our solar system and even to the stars beyond. This isn't just any comet. This is 3i Atlas, and it's doing something truly special right now. So, what's in a name? Well, let's break it down. The 3i part is super exciting. The I stands for Interstellar. This means that Comet Atlas isn't from around here. It wasn't born in our solar system's Oort cloud like most comets we see. No. This visitor has traveled for potentially millions of years across the unimaginable emptiness between and stars to pay us a visit. It's a true alien, a messenger from another star system. The 3 means it's only the third interstellar object we've ever confirmed. First was Oumuamua, then Borisov, and now we have ATLAS. Each one is a precious opportunity to study material from far beyond our own cosmic neighborhood. And the Atlas part? Well, that's the name of the incredible survey that found it. Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System. It's a network of telescopes in Hawaii and South Africa that constantly scans the sky looking for moving objects. Its main job is to find asteroids that might pose a threat to Earth, but in doing so, it sometimes stumbles upon these rare interstellar travelers. Think of it as our planet's very own Cosmic Neighborhood Watch program, and on January 9th, 2023, it spotted this faint wanderer when it was first discovered. Astronomers thought it might be just another asteroid, but as they watched it, they noticed something amazing. It was getting brighter. It was developing a faint, fuzzy atmosphere or coma, and even a tiny tail. This was the telltale sign. It wasn't a dead rock. It was a comet, a giant, dirty snowball made of ice, dust, and rock, forged in the dawn of a completely different solar system. As it gets closer to our sun, the heat is causing those ancient ices to vaporize, releasing gas and dust that have been locked away for eons. Now, here's where it gets really mind-bending. The journey this comet has taken is almost impossible to comprehend. It was likely ejected from its home star system long, long ago. Maybe a gravitational tug-of-war between giant planets flung it out into the void. Since then, it has been drifting through the Milky Way, a lonely pilgrim in the interstellar darkness, traveling at a staggering speed of about 150,000 kilometers per hour relative to our sun. For millions of years, it has been a silent witness to the galaxy's quiet evolution. And today, right now, its epic journey is reaching a spectacular climax. Comet Atlas is making its closest approach to our sun, a point in its orbit we call perihelion. This is the moment of truth. As it swings around our star, intense heat and radiation are hitting it with full force. This is when the comet is at its most active, its most brilliant. It's like a cosmic flower blooming for the first and only time in our corner of the universe. The material being blasted off its surface right now is pristine stuff from another star. It's a direct sample, a time capsule that could hold clues about how planets form elsewhere in the galaxy. What could we learn? Well, by analyzing the light from the comet's coma and tail with instruments called spectrographs, scientists can figure out what it's made of. Are the building blocks of life, like complex organic molecules and water, common across the galaxy? Does the chemistry of this comet from another star resemble the comets from our own system? Answering these questions helps us understand if the ingredients for life, as we know it, are widespread. Every interstellar object we study adds another piece to this grand puzzle of our place in the cosmos. But this close pass is also a moment of incredible danger for the comet. The sun's immense gravity is pulling on it, and the intense heat is causing it to shed mass at a furious rate. Some comets don't survive their perihelion. They can break apart, disintegrating into a cloud of dust and ice. They're an incredible journey ending in a final, fiery burst. Will Atlas survive its encounter with our star? We're watching in real time to find out. Either way, what we witness will be a spectacular and scientifically valuable event. The best part, this incredible celestial event isn't happening in some distant galaxy. It's happening in our own backyard. After it whips around the sun, Comet Atlas will make its closest approach to Earth in mid-October. Now, don't worry, close in astronomical terms is still very, very far away, many millions of kilometers. It will be our best chance to see it. While it's unlikely to be a naked-eye object, those with a good pair of binoculars or a small telescope might be able to spot it as a faint, fuzzy patch of light moving against the backdrop of stars. Imagine that. You could be looking at an object that has traveled farther than any human creation, a true visitor from the interstellar void. This encounter is fleeting. After it passes us, Atlas will be flung back out into deep space. Its trajectory forever altered by our sun's gravity will never return. We are the only generation of humans who will ever get to see it. It's a one-time show. This brief intersection of our paths, our world, and this ancient wanderer is a powerful reminder. It reminds us that the universe is not static. It's a dynamic, interconnected place. Objects travel between stars, carrying the raw materials of creation with them. So, as Comet 3I ATLAS makes its fiery pass around our sun, it's doing more than just putting on a light show. It's connecting us to the wider galaxy. It's bringing us clues from an unknown stellar shore. And it's reminding us to look up, to stay curious, and to appreciate these beautiful, transient moments that make our universe so incredibly fascinating. Thank you so much for joining me on this cosmic journey today. If you enjoyed this and want to stay updated on amazing stories from our universe, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us continue to explore these incredible topics together. Keep looking up.